Hello, I'm Charles from Charles in Photography. Today is quite an important day for me, 25th of March, and I've just cracked the 1,000 subscriber mark. I really want to thank all the people who have subscribed to my channel and who comment on my videos. This means so much to me. Although I've had a YouTube channel for quite a while, just posting up videos about some astrophotography time lapses, but I really got into gear just in February, March last year. So in just under a year, I've actually cracked the 1,000 mark. And as well, I actually had to take about 2 months off because I had major heart surgery, and I'm starting to get healthy again, being able to get out and about. I just want to thank all the people who watch my videos and those who subscribe. If you watch my videos, help me along and subscribe to my channel so I can actually reach more people. But most of all, I really want to give a big shout out to my wife. She helps me out, she encourages me to keep doing these videos. She's allowed me to have this flexibility from our family that I can actually go out and do these videos, because doing YouTube videos does take quite a bit of time. The video that you see might only be 10 to 15 minutes long, but the whole thing, videotaping it, editing it, could take me around a day to a day and a half. So there's a lot of behind the scenes that you don't see. But she sees this and she gives me this time for myself that I could actually promote this channel. So a big shout out to you, my #1 supporter. Now, if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. My videos are all about helping the everyday photographer to learn more about how to take photos, whether they're landscape, whether they're wildlife. And now I'm just looking forward to getting to the next milestone for me, which will be 5,000. And I hope that I can actually get to 5,000 within a year. My goal last year was to hit the 1,000 subscriber mark within a year. I've achieved that only because of everybody that subscribed to my channel. Now my next goal is within the next 12 months to get to 5,000 or more. A big thank you, a big shout out to all my subscribers and those who just watch my videos as well, because the watch time on these videos is just phenomenal. So thanks again and stay safe, everyone.